In this video, I will show you how to print Google Keep notes. First, open up Google Keep. If you're using a desktop like me, just go to keep.google.com and log into your Google account. Once you're logged in, scroll through Notes and click on the one you want to print. This opens the full note so you can see everything clearly. Now, there are two ways to get to the print option. You can either click on the three-dot menu at the bottom right of the note, which opens a drop-down with more options. From there, just select Print. Or if you prefer a shortcut, you can simply press Ctrl plus P on your keyboard. That's the standard print command for most browsers. Either way, a print preview window will pop up showing your note exactly how it will look on paper. You can choose your printer, the number of copies, and other settings here. And when you're ready, just click the big print button and your note will start printing. And that's how to print Google Keep notes.